Hi children, good afternoon everybody. Let us continue our ICT class. I think all of you did the last day's work. Are you did that children? Are you prepared the table? 7.1. Okay. Children, you listen here. We want to start the balance of our GeoGebra class, isn't it? Then in activity 7.5, let us draw a triangle. In that is saying here children, let us draw one triangle using polygon tool. Okay, what is that? Polygon. It is regular polygon. We can do this way using any type of polygon. You can do this way children. Okay, this is a triangle what I prepared. Yes. Next, in our textbook that is saying what children? We need to find out the distance or length to. We want to find out the measurement of triangles also. Let us do. We want to take the angle tool and find out the measurement of the angles. Okay, angle B, you know that children, angle B. Inside here we are in clockwise only counting children. Look, next angle tool itself, angle A. Then we need to find out angle C, isn't it? Okay, we got that. Now 53.86 inside this polygon, we need to count it in clockwise direction only. But if that is not a polygon or like that any type of a figure, that is lines only, we want to do always using anti-clockwise direction to find out the angles. Next we can select a distance or length tool. Where is that children? Distance or length tool? This one. Okay, let us click there. You will get the distance or length of the sides. You know that these are the different length, isn't it children? That means we prepare the triangle which have the which have the different sizes of sides and different sizes of angles also, isn't it children? Okay, next that is using the tool which polygon. Here we have a regular polygon also children. If we draw triangle using regular polygon, we will get a regular angle, sides, etc. with that triangle, while we are preparing it with the regular polygon. Okay, then in your textbook that is saying the next one is what children? We want to click the angle tool and click inside the triangle. What is happening? Let us see. I will take the angle tool and click inside the triangle. What is happened? We got angles once more children there. And doing that, finding the angle. Okay children, let us do once more polygon. I take that. After that, for you I am showing you children. Look here, angle to take and press the inside. Do you see now? Okay, is it clear? While we are pressing inside itself, we will get the angles. Therefore we don't want to find out the angles, so don't worry about the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Is it clear? Okay. Then the next one is that we, like this way we see that distance or length tool also. This way you can click here, here and here, you will get the distance, isn't it? The next one is that, children, we need to take the area tool. Where is area tool? Here itself you have the area tool also. Area tool, take and click inside area of ABC. We got it, children. 11.59, isn't it? Next we want to prepare a heading for this. Do you know? Before that I am going to prepare a polygon or a triangle using regular polygon also, children. Okay, a regular polygon. Take it. Do you see? Then asking how many vertices. If we need a square, let us give 4. But we need a triangle, therefore we can give here 3. Click on OK. Do you see now, children? Then let us take the distance of length tool and find out what is the distance of each side. Look here, children. Do you understand? This is a regular polygon and a regular triangle. Next one, we need to find out the angle. Okay, let's click. Do you see now? All these are 60. Then these are not the 60. That is the difference, children. Okay, what type of triangle you need to draw, that you identify and use the tools. Okay, next let us take area. Okay, area of the polygon 7.12. That also we got. Is it clear, children? I think all of you understand the difference of the polygon tool and the regular polygon tool. Okay, all other tools, that means measuring tools are working in the same way, but the measurement is not properly, incorrect note. That is not how we are drawing the with simple polygon tool. According to that, the measurement we will get. But in regular polygon, we know that angles are same and sides are also same. Okay. Next, let us prepare the heading. Before preparing the heading, we need to take the text tool, children. Text. Okay, text. Then click here. Do you see now? Edit. Below there we want to write what we need to write. Then simply writing there measurement of angle. Okay. Measures of angle. Measures of angle only given here. Measures of a triangle, children. Sorry, triangle. Measures of a triangle. Click on that. You can see it's a preview here, children. Measures of triangles. Then click on OK. Look here, children. This is the text what we typed. While we clicking there, we will get simple click. We will get that window itself. You can edit it. Otherwise, you can take the object properties window and change the color. Okay. Do you see now? Red color if you need. That is not proper red. Which one is red? Okay, little. Then if you want a background color, foreground color, background color we need this way. Do you understand, children? Okay, you can give the background colors etc. for the text also. Okay, children. Then we take a basic text. From here you can get different and then what alpha, beta, gamma, etc. That means name of the angles. Okay, like that symbols also you will get children. This is text. Okay, measurement of, if you want bold you can do it. Do you understand? Okay, then medium, if you want a large font, do you understand? This way we can change medium size only, isn't it? That is nice. If you are under italics, don't want italics. This way you can do, children. Okay, if you have the facility you can do that, children. Otherwise we will get the GeoGebra from internet, children. You can download the mobile version. Okay, click on OK. I gave here OK. After that I am closing this properties window. Do you understand, children, this measurement of triangle? Okay, that is given here in your textbook. Then in 7.4, in your table 7.4, you want to fill up. Click on the line and distance tool. What is happening? All that I showed you. Inside the triangle, distance or length tool, what is happened, children? Inside the triangle, distance or length tool, I clicked there and deleted that area to show you. Okay, once more, inside the triangle, what we need, we click inside the triangle using distance or length tool, and inside the triangle, do you see perimeter? Okay, area using area tool, distance or length for perimeter. Do you understand? We get the perimeter while we click inside the triangle using distance or length tool. Next, click and drag clockwise and clockwise in the vertices of the cones using angle tool. Click and drag clockwise in the vertices of the cones using angle tool. By using angle tool, where is the angle tool? Look here, this is the angle tool. While we are by using the angle tool, click clockwise, we want to click and what is happening? Clockwise, while we are clicking, we will get the angle only, isn't it? That we got. I showed you. Are you remembering? First time I showed you that. Okay. Next, interior angle we will get while we click inside in clockwise direction. Click inside the triangle using angle tool. What is happening? We will get the angles, isn't it? That also I showed you. Click inside the triangle using area tool. What is happened there? Area of the polygon we will get. Therefore all of you complete the table, children. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Hi, children. Let us continue. Activity 7.7. Look here. In that we want to draw different types of circles. Which are the tools you can draw circles? Let us see here, children. Okay. Circle with the center through point, circle, center and radius, compass, circle through 3 points, etc. You can see here, children. Semicircle, circular arc, etc. Okay, here in your textbook, first one is saying a circle having one point as its center and passes through another point. What is that? That is this circle with the center through a point. Center through a point. Where we are clicking, that is the point. Okay, that way you can draw that one. Next, circle passing through 3 points. Children, circle passing through 3 points. Okay, 1 point, 2 point. You see, anywhere we can draw the third point. This is the second one. Instead of that, we can take the point tool and click there. Okay, then here also 3 points. Then take that tool, circle through 3 points. Okay, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So you see, these 3 ways you can use this 2. Okay children, these 2 ways you can use this 2. Next, a circle passing through 3 points we studied. A circle with the center and radius, very simple only. That is the simple one. A circle with the center, we put that point, center point. Then asking radius. What is the radius we need to give? I am giving here 3. Radius 3. Okay. Do you see here children? Let us see. This is the circle with the 3-point radius. Okay, these are the circles in your textbook 7.7 saying. To draw a circle with 1 point as its center and passing through another point, select center through point 2 and click on 2 different points. Is it clear children? Circle with the center through point. Then what we want? Circle with the center through point we want to take. Then click on 2 different points. That only. That first one I showed you. Okay. Then this much only about circle tool children. Any way of different types of circles you can draw. Then let us evaluate to draw 2 horizontal lines, draw a vertical line across them and measure all the angles formed. Okay, 2 horizontal lines we need to draw. After that, draw a vertical line across and we want to find out. Okay, that let us see children. Next year we can, if the corona ends or if you can come to the class, let us study that. Okay, balance in your 9th standard children. Don't worry about that. Okay, children, let us study the next software from this chapter itself, that is known as calcium software, for understanding about atoms, atomic number, symbol, scientific names, etc. Digital periodic table. Look here children, digital periodic table calcium. Software name is calcium. Look here children, this is the periodic table. Do you know? You studied physics and chemistry, the periodic table, isn't it children? Which one is the first substance you can see here? This is hydrogen, then helium, after that beryllium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, etc. Okay, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, etc. You can see all that. You can see its colors according to periods, groups, etc. Also you can see here children. Okay, let us understand about what are they you can identify using this periodic table. Okay, then first activity 7.8, let us find out the features of elements. Features of elements, look here children, and we want to take aluminium. Here in your textbook that is saying I take Al. Look here, double click that, click on that Al. You can see melting point, boiling point, electron affinity, electronic configuration, covalent radius, all about that atom you can see here. It is atom model of the, which one children? Aluminium. I take aluminium. Okay, aluminium you can take. Then isotopes of that also you can take. Then miscellaneous. Look here, miscellaneous. This element was discovered in the year 1825. It was discovered by H.C.H. Oersted. Origin of the name Latin, alumen. Okay, alumen is the origin of the name. Aluminium, alumen. Okay, then the next spectrum. You can see it here. Spectrum, wavelength, intensity, etc. You can see here. Then the extra information you will get in Wikipedia. This information if you are connected with the Wikipedia. Okay, this is the data overview, atom model, isotopes, miscellaneous, spectrum, extra information. All these are about this one. What is this, children? In periodic table you can see the model of atoms, isn't it? About aluminum you can see aluminum is the metal, you know. About that you can see all the information. Is it clear, children? Next, let us close this. Next you want to study how elements got their names. All these you know, I showed you. Okay, activity 7.9. How we want to find out all these things. Let us select a zinc. Is the name you can see here. Z and zinc. Look here, children. Here also coming. Here aluminum coming. Before that silicon. All that. Then zinc. Look here, zinc. I said extra information. Miscellaneous. Look here who discovered. The element was discovered in the year 1746. It was discovered by Andrews Maraggraf. Origin of the name German. Isotopes, which are the isotopes, half-life period, neutrons, mass, etc. You can see here, children. Then atom model of zinc in calcium. Okay, so you see now the electronic configuration 3d10 4s2. Okay, 3d10 4s2 is given here but written here. That one, that you will study, children, the electronic configuration of the atom. Okay, next atom model is this one. All this you can see here, and we want to study about each elements, what you can see in this period by simply by clicking on it, and let us find out the details about that. Okay, this way you can study that, children. In your textbook, picture 7.14, calcium miscellaneous window. You can see that is the miscellaneous window I showed you. Okay, then table of features of the element. You can see here aluminum, melting point. From where you will get it? Features of element aluminum. Look here, children. Aluminum features of element. What given data in your data overview? You can see symbol you have there Al. Then melting point. Look here, melting point is given here. Then boiling point also given here. Then what, children? Atomic mass is also given here. Then what symbol, melting point, boiling point, and atomic mass only given in your textbook, and that also you can see from here, children. Okay, is it clear? Then if you want the next, you can take the next one. In table 7.7, details of the elements, we want to look, children. Look here, AM. Where is A? AR. Yes, AM. Americurium. Look here, children. We want to find out that from where. Then listen here, children. It's a basis of name. Basis of name where we will get, children? In miscellaneous. Name of origin of name. Basis of name means origin of name. Named after America. Look here, that you want to write there. Named after America. That is why Americium is written. Then person who discovered. Look here, children. It is discovered by Glenn T. Seaborg, L. Morgan, R. James, A. Gourish. Okay, that is the name of the only one or two persons' name you want to write. Next, year of discovery. The element was discovered in the year 1945. You want to write there 1945. Next one, children, FR. Where is FR, children? Fr means francium. Francium we want to find out, children. Phi not. Where is Fr? Francium. This one, francium. Look here, children. What type of element? This is element discovered in the year 1939. Discovered by M. Perret. Okay, origin of the name, named after Franz to honor Marguerite Perret. Okay, this you want to write, children, properly. Then what is the next? Rubidium, Rb. We see in Rb, rubidium. Okay, in rubidium atom model. Then miscellaneous. This element who discovered in the year 1861, developed by Robert V. Bunsen. Then origin of name, Latin rubis for darkened. Okay. Then the next what, children? Cu, copper. We see that. Where is Cu, children? Find out it. Cu, copper. Cu. Yes, Cu. Cu in metal status C. Do you see? Cu. Basis of name, Greek Capra for cypress. In that it is got. Then person who discovered, it is not discovered. This element was known as ancient cultures. From ancient cultures, copper really from not nowadays. Find out, children. Okay. Person who discovered the ancient culture you want to write. Years of discovery. Here it is not given. Don't want to write it. Okay. In atom model, not isotopes, not there is not. Miscellaneous, that is not written there. Next, Ti. Look here, children. Titanium. 1791. Discovered by W. Grigor. Origin of the name, the Titans were giants in Greek mythology. Okay. Greek mythology. Next what, children? Cl. Where is Cl, children? Look here, chlorine. You know that what is the use of chlorine. 1774. CWSHEELE. Scheele. Origin of the name, Greek chloros for yellow green. Okay, these are the names what we can see in this periodic table. More than that also you can see, that is given in your textbook. That all I showed you. Okay, all of you write in the notebook itself, children. Do you understand, children? Element, silver, hydrogen, tin, antimony, etc. is given here. You want to, symbols are used to represent elements. English letters are used for as symbols. Complete the table 7.8 with the help of software. Which is software? Calcium software. Element, silver. It's a scientific name and a symbol you want to write, children. With the help of silver. Which one is silver, children? Hydrogen, which one, children? It is hydrogen, you know, isn't it? It's a scientific name. hydrogen itself. Professor. Symbol what children? H. Okay, then silver. Which one is silver children? It is copper. It is zinc. It is silicon. Chlorine. Lead. Thallium. Bismuth. Antimony. Okay. Silverware children. Sulfur. Chlorine. Okay. Hi children, let us continue. Let us prepare the model of atoms. Our last section of this chapter. Okay. Now let us see. This is chemical. From where we want to take it? From education itself. From where you take calcium? According to that you can take chemical children. Chemical. Do you see? Chemical. After opening this, you can see in picture 7.16 chemical window. This is chemical window. Look here children. In that you can see here, this is the draw tool. In table 7.10, sorry, table 7.9, you can see the tools table. In that, first one is the draw tool. Do you see this? Then the second one is the erase tool. Remove the atoms and bonds what you draw there. Then the next one what you want to study is that orbit xy. Look here, this is orbit xy. Okay. Then the next one you want to study is set the current element. This one is that set the current element. Next is that set the current bond. Look here children, this one. This is the setting of current bond type. Chemical is used for preparation of models of atoms children. Therefore, let us start according to your textbook how we can prepare the models of atoms. Look here. You want to first in activity 7.10 prepare the model of water molecule. Okay. For a water molecule, how many atoms are there children? You know that water is H2O, isn't it? H2O. Therefore, we need 2 oxygen atom and 1 hydrogen atom. Therefore, from the set the current element tool, click here. Okay. From that, let us take which one? You can say this is the periodic table. According to that, the elements also arranged here. Let us take H, hydrogen, isn't it? Hydrogen. Click here. Okay. After that, you can see here draw tool is active. Then click there. Do you see? 1 hydrogen atom you can see according to your textbook here. Then we need 2 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, 1 more we can draw. Okay, now you have 2 hydrogen atom. Now we need 1 oxygen atom also. Oh, take it and click here. Do you see now the color is changed, isn't it? In according to your textbook that is saying there, first we draw that. In the next saying that right click the mode. Right button, click on the right button of the mouse on the canvas. After that render. Look here children. After that label, mode and element. Render, label mode, element. Do you see? Render, label mode, element. Okay. Children, look here properly. You can't zoom it. If you properly look there, you can see here the name of the atom is written there, HO. Can you see this O? Look here children, therefore 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom, H2O. H2O. Okay, let us combine that with the bond 2. We need chemical bonds for combining that. Okay, look here children, single bond we need here, single bond A. From here to there you join it. Is it clear? This way you can join this. Okay, now let us see according to picture 7.17 you can see here children. Next we needs to, what we need, we draw simply that 2 places and combine this, but we needs to geometrically it needs to be optimized. That means what children? How is this molecule? According to that it needs to be combined. Okay, it needs to be formed. For that purpose we needs to take a compute geometrically optimization. After right click, compute geometrically optimization. Then we got a geometric optimization. Click on the default values are there, therefore we want to click on OK. Do you see now how is that? This is really the water molecule children. Okay, it is geometrically optimized. After that we needs to take a orbit xy and let us move it. Okay, do you see now? Do you see now children? We can move this way. Okay, is it understand all of you? We rotate that molecule and keep it. After that you can save it children. Save as. From there untitled is given there. If you want you can take a folder etc. I am not taking now. Okay, just in desktop I am saving it. Okay, let us see. Where we need it, there we can save it. What is that? Water. Therefore I am giving water. Click on OK. Do you see here? We can't open it directly children. We want to open it through file open. Okay, now we have that here, therefore don't worry. Look here. Next let us take a new file and prepare another molecule. What is C1 and let us evaluate. In that ammonia NH3. Look here children. Nitrogen and 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atom. N. Okay. Want to take a N and take the tool and we need a H. Then 3 hydrogen atoms. After that we need to take a bond, then connect these two. Okay children, that is drawn. Then let us do that what children? We need to render and give the label mode and what element. Take it. Do you see now? N, H. Okay. Now let us right click, compute geometrically optimization. Look on OK. Do you see now? Okay. Ammonia atom. Let us take a XY orbit and let us move it. Okay children, let us move it this way. Is it clear now? That is not going anywhere. That is combined there. Look. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay, this much only in this textbook children. Okay children, Stellary, one of the software is simply saying here that is about simulations of sky. Then next year you will study that properly, children. Okay, all of you read this chapter and complete the table of this chapter. Okay, all of you write the notes and send it to me. Okay, some of you are not sending the notes. Why? Okay, bye children.